Look, I'm a social guy, and if I've learned anything from people, it's that adults can sometimes be big babies. Before I get started, keep that in mind. Hi there, I'm Phil Pallen, and if you're looking for a way to organize people for your next meeting, like your own real-life game of solitaire, you've come to the right place. I'm a consultant in the entertainment industry, which means I deal with divas on a daily basis. Most of them are fussy beyond belief. So, grab a piece of paper and mark down all the available seats around the table. Keep a list of all meeting attendees somewhere on the sheet. Get ready to cross those names off. Are you ready to go? Let's get started. First things first, know who your kings are. Put them at the head of the table. This would be the business owner, CEO, El Presidente, basically whoever the head honcho is. Next, put their henchmen right up close to them. You watch, the two will write little notes to each other like cute school children. Moving on, now things get political. If Cranky Susan has beef with Smart Alex Simon, separate them, for your sake. However, keep them on the same side of the table so they don't have to look at each other. Just make sure there's someone in between. You should also do this for all the sassy people attending your meeting. Separate them with a socially neutral sponge of a person, maybe someone with a bland personality. Now, to make all of this happen, use a program like Pages or Microsoft Word and just draw a square. Then put everyone's names in circles around it. That represents your table. Add some color and bam, you've got yourself a seating arrangement drawing. Good for you. Giving you some tips for making a seating arrangement drawing, I'm Phil Pallen.